Bad man, you know
Oh,
me
what it
like
do,
that.
fam? Oh, bad man. J Lima is here with Should Have Been Us, produced by the homie Noisemaker. Let's check it
It
out.
should have been us, baby.
Okay,
Yeah.
Afro,
It should have been me and you.
me and you.
But you keep playing games, staying with the man that don't treat you right. It could have
Kule
been
folk
us.
poka,
Yes, uzaka kotela
vavene ni
masocha,
vavene.
babe. You better like boom, boom, boom. Makumenya every day on your knees praying for a better day. It's like you
Damn.
really don't see that you never meant to be.
Uh
Every
huh.
day, same story, like you really on repeat, yeah. Now, wala
Nava, like you
makuida,
really on
lavu ya
repeat,
mene
same
isa
story.
kupaisa. Kuyesa no yesa wa yesa, muntu sachinja ni better musiye.
Mm-hmm.
These days you don't look like you're physically fit. 3 years and he still doesn't respect you. All
Damn.
you need is a man that would treat you right. Saying this and that just to treat you right, baby.
I don't forget that.
Should have been me and you.
J Lima got that vibe,
But you keep playing games.
strong voice.
The man that don't treat you right. It could have been
Oh,
us.
baby.
Uzaka kotela mosocha, babe.
Socha,
I say
babe.
you got a good man on your side, yeah. Why you gotta do him like this?
Mm-hmm.
Don't you tired of playing these games?
Hey.
Every day, Nima, that
Why you
guy
gotta
is a
do
really
him
big
like this?
buyer.
So this is another story now. From the abused one to this one who doesn't appreciate the one she's with.
Should have stuck to him all my bad days.
Mhm.
Could have been you, but you keep playing games. Hope you find what you need on the highway.
Nah, baby. Life has so many mirrors and perspectives, man. Okubambi balerira balevomba balepe patiyo kwateko ebisuma balaba kweta ebisuma balekita omuntu kwati ni oyo futi sochabe. Dum 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 Hey, Noisemaker on deck. The boy got the vibes, man. He's got the vibes. What can I say?
Welcome to Africa.
Why you gotta treat me like this? Da na 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 na. J Lima, bad man a bad man. Brought the patwa, brought the messaging, brought the vibes, most importantly, to this. It should have been us. He tells the story of someone in the first verse who is in a relationship that's abusive and praying for a better kind of relationship. But alemweba from the outside that why would they kala no yo kale akuchusha taule monati no aikalilira pum 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 ikakuipaya. By now you should have been out of that relationship. What are you still doing in there? Then the next girl or the next person he's talking about in relationship. Muntu wakweba ati nakwata efusuma but aleisanga ati alekumbwa fimbi abaramperako amasagari n'abaramperako efyo abo alinankwe tabaremupeera. So in short arekitabiritu abantu obo alinabo. That's the thing that's around now. So it should have been us. It's like two scenarios wrap up this song. Waziva. So in any case, it's just a song about perspective. It's just a song about so many relationship issues that we keep seeing out here, man. Bambi, kulala na fienda fe bwino fine fe barechita na appreciate na rikwato de sampera na bwabo barechita appreciate na barechita reciprocate same love. But sometimes kula bafiri opposite yakwe but umo rechita appreciate tari fimuna no kufimuna effort tari mbere kuchita na abuse. So those are the two scenarios in here. In terms of delivery, he was on beat. He knows how to use his auto-tune. He's got a vibe about him. The production I liked with that whole guitar thing. And I also like that he's got this trippy vibe. Na 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 na. He rhymes well too. That's what I'm talking about. You have to deliver a message that will obviously appeal na kuri forever tuli mu 30s and whatnot, but Footy, you have to be on trend with the kids, man. You have to be on trend with the kids because the kids are the majority. Muzambia abayouth babiikire n'abayupnd apa bali. So I went political. You have to be on trend, honestly speaking. Suit the market. I like this. It's a vibe. It's a vibe to me. It's a vibe. He's not like Chris Brown in terms of ni vocalist washan, but I peg him to be a rapper who can also like sing, because from how he writes his bars and how he just brings out punchlines, nefo ale afemru imbolo, although it's a singing Afrobeat type song, you can tell he has a rapper mind. Yeah, and how he's like switching flows up and up, you can tell he has a rapper mind. So he can Drake. He doesn't even have to be Brian McKnight or the best vocalist or whatever. But one thing he does have, though, from watching him, ma features Namo Mwanapo na Fiance Fachita, is a vibe. J Lima got the vibe. The boy Noisemaker produced this so well. I like the guitar. I like the bass, the drums, and just the Afrobeat. Afrobeat these days. Should have been us. Relationships yaba n'amaperspectives noyo winolera that should have been us ali parusha limbi pa fest nomba limbi takwete fesa gari nangu limbi ali rufyanyango panono bamusha baya kuri umbi ayanko bachushe ero ashara kunse naye nalera that inga wali ko patient, it should have been us. Shefi nakwata olwimbo muli album yako ya new aleba exact wali kitana bwino okuya kuri oyo awupako nomba ale kusunga bwino inenga nakuposere venshita. So nomba ni perspective imbi from a player telling a girl who's now in a marriage stable and well to do that wali kitafena bwino, I like that now kwatako notubana inenga nakuposere venshita. So it's all human perspectives at the end of the day, and relationships people write about in these songs. Let me know what you think of Should Have Been Us, J Lima, colorful artwork, pachipuna shani naka bag, akaremunekwa nika TV shani. Now, kunu moku, I'm sure that artwork also has to do with the visuals that I'll react to up next. Let me know what you think, but vibey song, very vibey. Let's talk about it.